ऋषिका, हेलो ऋषिका, ये ऋषिका मैं दिखाऊं मोबाइल मैसेज कितने बजे आया, इसलिए मैंने हायर वगैरह, नो नीड टू रिप्लाई दीज मैसेजेस। तो बच्चा कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछता तो हम आंसर करें, अदरवाइज हायर हो तो मैं बताएंगे।
Good morning, children. We are back with the same lesson. It's your English subject, and your Fazana ma'am is now continuing the same chapter, that is your chapter number 4, and hope you are ready with your book, page number 31. So children, are you ready? And let's continue with our exercise discussion. And can you see my cursor over here? It's multiple choice questions. Here's your write the correct answer in each. The options given for you, and you have to read the question and find the correct one from the options. 1. What does YMU stand for? So, from your reading of the lesson, you might have understood that YMU stands for Youth. Can you see my cursor? It's your Young Man's Union. It's your Young Man's Union. So, the option C is your correct one. 2. Swami said to the drill master in the ground that, now Swami told the drill master, what did he said? He was in a terrible state of health. He won't be able to attend the drill. According to my reading, both are right. Both the sentence he said. So, your option, both A and B are correct. So, you are going to tick right over here on your C1. Let's see the third. What does MCC stand for? Your MCC stands for Malgudi Cricket Club. So, can you see its first A option? We have the correct answer, Malgudi Cricket Club. So, this way you are going to solve your exercise at home in your textbook with the objectives, and if it is a written answer, question answers, you have to take your notebook and write the answer and take a pic of it and send the answer to me, so that I can read your answer and find out your mistakes, and if not, you will be the excellent person. Now, see this written, what they are telling us to do, read and answer, what they are telling us to answer. Actually, this I will not do it for you, you will do it. Reading is very easy. 1. This extract from the chapter contains a lot of mistakes. ये जो कंटेंट नीचे दिया है बहुत सारा मिस्टेक से दिया है. कंपेयर इट विद द स्टोरी एंड री राइट इट. आपको करेक्ट करना है, ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक में भी और मे बी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स. लेट्स सी हाउ यूल डू इट, बट आई विल रीड इट फॉर यू. Just 4 days after the match, Rajam realized that his mornings were not so precious than ever. As soon as the morning bell rang, he sat with the rest in the assembly ground. He was wearing a fashionable overcoat while others were in their school uniform. Then the drill master spoke to him and allowed him to take rest. He was happy to get the permission. Do you think this paragraph is right? You can say para also. No children, it's all haphazard. Actually, he didn't had the period of drill in the morning. But in this para, they are telling that he is having the drill in the morning. He was having the drill period in the evening. That is, do you remember 4:30? So, this is one wrong. Then what is this? Just after 4 days. No, he was in a big problem. Who was in big problem? Swami. He was in big problem to solve his problem of evening before the match. So, here they are given the word after. So, here instead of after, you should have before. And it was not 4 days, it was 7 days. You remember, Rajam realized that his evenings were not so, his evenings were precious. Either not likha hai, so you have to remove this not also, and evening was precious than ever. As soon as the morning bell rang, morning nahi, evening, instead of morning there should be evening. And what is the rest in the assembly ground? So, it will be the evening bell rang. He sat with the rest. Did he sat with the rest to do the drill? No, he was standing to talk with the drill master. So, instead of sat, you should say standing. Okay. He was wearing a fashionable overcoat. Was he wearing a fashionable overcoat? No children, he was wearing the same uniform, because he was in the schools from since morning, while others were in their school uniform. So, this is wrong over here. Then the drill master spoke to him and allowed him to take rest. Drill master ने फौरन की फौरन उनको permission दे दिया? No, he didn't give him the permission. Instead, he was angry. He was happy to get the permission. So, was our Swaminathan happy to get the permission to take rest? No, he was up and down pleading drill master to give him permission. So, he didn't get permission so immediately. You are going to write this para correctly and send it to me. Okay, children, let's move to the next page. It's page number 32. Let's see what is the second over here. It's you are going to read and correct what this second page number 32 is telling us to do. Okay, children, complete these sentences in your own words. You are going to complete these, fill in the blank. Yeah, means it's incomplete sentence. Let's see how we are going to complete. A. Swaminathan had a great responsibility as he was, what he was? The bowler or the main bowler of the team. Yes, and what was the name of his team? It's MCC Malgudi Cricket Club. B. Rajam requested Swami. Rajam ने स्वामी को क्या request किया? That he should have a practice. Very few days are left for the match. Then what is the C? Swami did not take off his coat and cap as. स्वामी ने अपना कोट एंड कैप ड्रिल के लिए क्यों नहीं उतारा? As the reason you have to give over here, as he wanted to skip the drill practice and or attend the drill, he didn't wanted to attend the drill practice and he wanted to go for his match practice. Okay, let's see, think and answer. What you are going to think and answer by reading your lesson? Why could Swami not attend the practice session earlier? वो अपने मैच के प्रैक्टिस सेशन पहले से ही क्यों नहीं अटेंड कर पा रहे थे? Because he was busy in his drill period and the time which he had to be for the practice of his match is the same time he had the period in his school of drill. So, he was unable to attend the practice session. Yes. Why did Swami, second question, why did Swami visit the doctor and what did the doctor say to Swami? Swami ने डॉक्टर को क्यों विजिट किया? So that what's the reason? So that he could get the medical certificate from his doctor. For what purpose? What did the doctor? So that he could hand over this medical certificate to his drill master and go for his match practice. What did the doctor say to Swami? डॉक्टर ने स्वामी से क्या बोला? That he is not going to give the false certificate because Swami was not having any problem with his body. He didn't had any problem, he didn't had any ailment. So without any ailment, he couldn't make a medical certificate. There should be some proof. Okay. 3. What kind of person was the doctor? Give reasons for your answer. He was, according to our reading, doctor was a very truthful person. He didn't wanted even Swami to tell the lie to the drill master or to the headmaster. So, you got my reason that he was a very truthful person, doctor was a truthful person, and the reason is he wanted Swami to tell the truth to the headmaster that he wanted to have a practice for his match. Okay. Last question of think and answer. Do you think Swami's plan was good and an honest one? Swami का plan जो था वो लेने के लिए to get the false certificate, medical certificate from his doctor was the good one and an honest one? No, it wasn't good, as there would be the doctor would be in problem. He may be under the bars for doing this false service, and even it was a bad remark for Swaminathan as a sportsman. He shouldn't be a liar, he should be the truthful, he should be truthful. Children, let us see reference to context. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. What is the sentence from the lesson? I can't give you a certificate. Who said this? Very easy, doctor said it to Swaminathan. So, here who said to whom? I give you the first answer. Who said this line to whom? It is said by, in this lesson, by doctor to Swaminathan. Second, B. What was the certificate needed for? इस certificate किस काम के लिए ज़रूरी था? So that Swami could hand over the certificate to his school headmaster as well as to his drill master, and he could go to the practice of his match. Why was the speaker, see, why was the speaker unable to give the certificate? Speaker means who said this line is the speaker. Why he was unable to give the certificate? Because he was very truthful and he would not take risk of his occupation, and he also was concerned with the boy Swaminathan. Okay. D. What happened next in the story? Next क्या हुआ? Doctor promised Swaminathan that he would talk to his headmaster regarding his match practice, and he will be soon left, he will be soon not attending the drill practice, and he will be, or he would be allowed by headmaster to attend his practice of match. Okay. What is this HOTS? Higher order thinking skill question. Have you ever given any false excuse to your parents or teachers? Have you ever given children any false excuse to your parents and teachers? If you are truthful, you might have been. Okay. Do you think you were right in this so, in doing so? Yes, if you haven't given any excuses or told a lie to your parents and teachers, that means you are right in doing so. Very good, children. Let's see this word quiz, then we'll go for our talk exercise. Which word means the same as contrary? Contrary matlab ulta. Okay. Over here, it's what's ulta in English? Similar, same, see, opposite, otherwise. The perfect word over here means is opposite, but even otherwise may go with contrary. Okay, children, can you get me? Yes. Now, let's see talk exercise, accepting and refusing offer. Okay. Let's see what it is telling us to do. Read the following. Let's read. What would you like some tea? किसी ने आपसे कुछ पूछा. Would you like some tea? How you will say yes or how you will say no, accepting or refusing? Yes please. Yes please means you want, you have accepted this question, you have accepted the offer. If you don't want to accept, no, but thanks for offering. आप no कैसे बोलेंगे? In this form. Then the second, would you like to go to the park? कोई आपसे पार्क में चलने के लिए पूछ रहा है. Sure, thanks. हाँ, थैंक्स बोल रहे हो आप. हाँ बोल के थैंक्स ही बोलना है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू से नो, सॉरी आई एम बिजी. ना बोलने के लिए सॉरी बोल दें एंड यू कैन से आई एम बिजी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी द सेम एक्सरसाइज ऑन अ नेक्स्ट पेज 33. आर यू रेडी विद योर 33? विल कंप्लीट ओनली दिस. व्हाइल एक्सेप्टिंग, चिल्ड्रन कैन यू सी माई कर्सर? While accepting, refusing an offer or invitation, you should be polite. You can. Okay, how you'll be polite? By saying yes or no. See, there are two sentences given to you. Express gratitude while accepting the invitation or offer. Invitation हो या offer हो तो आपको accept करना है with very thankfulness and give a reason for refusing the invitation. और आप जब ना बोलते हो तो आपका इन्विटेशन और ऑफर को रिफ्यूज़ करते वक्त रीज़न भी बताना है. यू हैव टू गिव द रीज़न ऑल्सो. सी नाउ देर आर 4 sentences. लेट्स सी हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू वर्क. नाउ वर्क इन पेयर्स. यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट और रिफ्यूज़ द गिवन ऑफर और इन्विटेशन. यूज़ द क्लूज गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स. 1. You are offered some cake. You are offered some cake by your friend. आपके फ्रेंड ने आपको केक दिया है, रिफ्यूज़ करना है. How you are going to refuse? Thank you, I am sorry. You can give a reason. I am fasting. No, I am sorry, I can't have it as I am fasting. This may be the reason. Okay, or I am not keeping well. Okay, this may be the reason. The 2. Your friend has invited you to the party and you are accepting it. You have to accept it. Sure. Thank you for inviting me. Okay, this is the way you are going to accept the invitation. 3. Your partner offers to share her or his lunch with you. आपके पार्टनर ने, आपने शायद लंच नहीं लेके गए हैं और आपके पार्टनर को मालूम पड़ गया है कि आपके पास खाने के लिए नहीं है उस दिन. So he or she might have offered her or his lunch. So you have accepted, and you will say, sure, thank you for sharing your lunch with me. Okay, isn't it great for thanking? Okay. 4. Your friend has invited you to play football with him and his friends, and you have to refuse. So how are you going to refuse? With a sorry, and you can say, I am busy, so I will join you in your next match or in your next game. Isn't it great by being grateful for accepting or refusing the invitation or offer? Very good, children. Children, I will stop my discussion of exercise over here, and I will continue the same page number 33 in the next video. Till then, have a good day and keep solving your exercise and sending me your answers. Goodbye.